Hello, friends! This is NeoMind, your source for the latest news on artificial intelligence. Today, we'll talk about Elon Musk's brain chip, how exactly it works, and what benefits it will bring to us. Let's get started.
Welcome to the future.
Elon Musk is one of the most well-known and influential figures in the world. He is renowned for his ambitious projects such as Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink, the latter of which we will discuss today.
Neuralink, founded by Musk in 2016, is dedicated to the development of innovative brain implants. Their devices consist of small coin-sized plates equipped with hundreds of electrodes that are implanted into the cortex of the brain. The primary goal is to develop technology for direct interaction with the human brain. Implants can be used to treat various conditions, including paralysis, blindness, and deafness. Additionally, they have the potential to enhance memory, concentration, and create new forms of interaction with computers. In July 2023, Neuralink successfully conducted its first clinical trial of the implant on a patient with muscular atrophy. The results showed that the patient could control a computer using the power of thought, providing hope for the prospects of treatment and improving people's lives.
The history of brain implants spans over 60 years. The initial attempts to directly interact with the human brain date back to the 1870s when researchers tried to use electric current to treat mental illnesses. However, these attempts were unsuccessful and significant progress in the field of brain implants did not occur until the mid-20th century. In the 1950s, the first implants emerged for the treatment of epilepsy. These implants consisted of small electrodes implanted into the patient's brain, generating electrical impulses that suppressed epileptic seizures. In the 1960s, research began on the use of brain implants to treat other brain disorders such as Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's disease. These studies were successful, and by the 1980s, brain implants were being used to treat these conditions on a regular basis.
In recent years, research on brain implants has reached a new level. Modern brain implants are much more complex than their predecessors, containing hundreds or thousands of electrodes that enable direct interaction with the human brain. This opens up new possibilities for the use of brain implants, including treating diseases, improving quality of life, and creating new forms of interaction with computers and technologies. Global research on brain implants is actively underway, and scientists are exploring various scenarios of use, from treating diseases to enhancing quality of life and creating innovative forms of interaction with technology. Let's consider real examples. 1. Paralysis is a condition where a person completely or partially loses the ability to move. It can be caused by various factors, including head or spinal cord injuries, stroke, infections, and certain diseases. In the fight against the challenges of paralysis, brain implants unlock the potential for muscle function restoration. After successful trials on monkeys in 2021, Neuralink received FDA approval for human clinical trials in 2023 to 2024. Implants capable of expanding the boundaries of thought control will now be tested on people facing paralysis. 2. Revolution in the world of sound. Brain implants to overcome deafness. Overcoming deafness becomes possible with brain implants. In 2013, Cochlear received FDA approval for Nucleus 7, an implant containing 24 electrodes capable of restoring hearing. Currently, research is underway to create more advanced implants capable of transmitting a wide range of sounds and improving speech understanding for people with deafness. 3. Combating dementia. Key to improving memory. Brain implants offer new possibilities for improving memory and concentration in those dealing with dementia. In 2022, Medtronic received FDA approval for using the brain implant Activa PC to treat Parkinson's disease. This breakthrough also stimulates research aimed at creating implants capable of slowing down or preventing the progression of diseases such as Alzheimer's.
These are real innovative examples that highlight the potential of brain implants in improving the lives of people facing various medical challenges. According to Elon Musk, Neuralink is a project aimed at healing and enhancing life, improving memory and concentration. Neuralink stands out in the field of memory and concentration enhancement by offering a way to stimulate specific areas of the brain. Considering the limitations of current methods, these implants provide a new approach that may be more effective and less invasive, enhancing emotional control. Neuralink implants offer the possibility of improving control over emotions, leading to reduced stress and anxiety. Compared to existing methods, this innovative technology promises more effective and less invasive solutions for maintaining emotional well-being. New forms of interaction with technology. The company is reimagining interactions with computers and technology, providing the ability to control computers through the power of thought and create virtual reality. This innovation may be more convenient and intuitive compared to current interaction methods, opening new horizons in technological interactions.
In fact, it's hard to believe that implants can give us not only efficiency in treating various diseases, but also the opportunity for significant improvement in the quality of life through innovative methods of interacting with the brain and technology. What FDA approval did Elon Musk receive? Let's consider it step by step. In 2021, Neuralink, a shining star in the innovative world, effortlessly crossed the boundaries between the brain and technology. Under the visionary leadership of Elon Musk, the company conducted exciting brain implant trials on a group of monkeys. 1024 electrodes were implanted into the cortex of the brain. These electrodes became a bridge between the world of the brain and virtual reality, allowing monkeys to interact with a mouse cursor, open and close programs, and immerse themselves in virtual worlds of video games, all through the power of thought. And here's how the magic unfolded. One of the monkeys, like an artist on a canvas, mastered the game Pong, making virtuoso moves with the sword of thought. The results of these experiments stunningly showed that the boundaries between muscles and brain implants can be blurred for the benefit of those facing paralysis challenges. The implantation of implants was performed under general anesthesia. The operation lasted about 2 hours. Afterward, the monkeys recovered from the operation over the course of several weeks. During this period, they received medication and physiotherapy. Elon Musk emphasized that the new implant enables control of a phone, computer, and possibly anything else, simply with the power of thought. He announced that the initial users would be those who have lost the ability to use their limbs. In his words, there is a sense of possibilities, envisioning how Stephen Hawking could communicate at a level surpassing the speed of typing or auctioneering. This is not just a step in science, but a complete evolution in the world of technology.
Musk received FDA approval precisely because of the success. At the beginning of everything are the promising results of Neuralink's research on monkeys. The experiments show that jungle inhabitants with brain implants successfully mastered the art of controlling a computer through the power of thought. This opens up prospects for the safe and effective use of this technology for people with paralysis. Furthermore, Neuralink presented a detailed research plan including safety measures and quality control. This plan includes several important aspects.
Strict participant selection criteria. The studies will include people with paralysis who are unable to move or use their hands independently. Standardized implantation procedure. Implantation operations will be performed by experienced surgeons following clear protocols. Thorough participant monitoring. Medical personnel will closely monitor research participants throughout the study period. The third important point is the FDA's own safety study of Neuralink implants. According to its results, it was determined that these implants are safe and do not cause serious side effects. Based on these factors, the FDA concluded that Neuralink's human studies are scientifically justified and represent a reasonable risk for potential participants. This is supported by several specific reasons. Safety. The FDA ensured that Neuralink implants are safe and do not cause serious side effects. Effectiveness. Results of monkey trials provided grounds to believe that implants can successfully restore muscle function in people with paralysis. Quality. Neuralink provided a detailed and high-quality research plan, including safety and control measures. Imperial plans of Musk. Coming soon. On the path to scientific discoveries, Neuralink aims to conduct planned clinical trials of its neural interface on humans in 2024. The plans include expanding clinical trials to several hundred patients. Continuous technology improvement. Neuralink continues to actively work on enhancing its technological progress. Innovative types of electrodes are being developed, aimed at minimizing invasiveness and maximizing efficiency. Additionally, efforts are underway to create a wireless neural interface that eliminates the need for surgical intervention. Development of promising applications. Neuralink plans to create new applications for its neural interface. The company has successfully demonstrated its potential in computer and prosthetic control. Currently, there is active development of applications focused on treating various diseases, such as Parkinson's disease and epilepsy. Strategic collaborations. Neuralink closely collaborates with other companies to develop new applications for its neural interface. In particular, a partnership with Synchron is underway to develop a neural interface for treating paralysis, as well as with Verily Life Sciences to create a neural interface aimed at treating diabetes. Expansion of production. Neuralink is actively implementing plans to expand the production of its neural interface. A new factory is being built in California, which will be responsible for producing neural interfaces for clinical trials and commercial use. Long-term perspective. Neuralink has strategic long-term plans to create a neural interface aimed at enhancing human intelligence. This interface could lead to the development of new methods of learning, work, and communication, as well as have an effective impact on the treatment of various pathologies, including intellectual disabilities and mental disorders.
Friends, just imagine if Neuralink succeeds in realizing its plans, the company could have a significant impact on the world. Neuralink's neural interface has the potential to improve the quality of life for millions of people and lead to the creation of new technologies and ways of interacting with the world. Of course, it is important to note that the development of a neural interface is associated with a range of ethical and social issues. For example, ensuring the confidentiality and security of data collected by the neural interface is crucial. It is also necessary to address the question of who will have access to this data and how it will be used. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell button not to miss our next videos. If you want to be one of the first who gets the latest news about ag, be sure to follow our Instagram. And remember, the horizons of the future are just around the corner.